Hi, Austin Fox here in beautiful northern Michigan, here to show you the Woodeze Rocket Stove. Coming in at 20 pounds, 17 inches tall, extremely portable, very easy to put together as well. All you gotta do is attach the bottom legs, the feet to the legs. That's about it. You got your ash drawer. Right here you got your hopper. This is strictly for pellets. You don't need it for burning wood. I'm burning wood at the moment. It slides in very easy. And you got your metal crossbars up top. You can put a pan on top. Today I'm going to cook a grilled cheese. Get that on there. And always be careful when you're shutting this. You never know if it's going to be hot or cold, so just be prepared. It's just that simple. That's a good looking grilled cheese. Well, grilled cheese is just about done. Remember, you can cook just about anything on this. You can put a kettle, boil water on it, in a big old pan, cook a steak on it, who cares?